Guys, it's Jerry Middleman Battaglia out here in Long Island, New York. Hey guys, smash that subscribe button, hit that follow button, the bell notification as well. Leave some comments down below, hit that like button because it'll help me, grow. And I love finding classic cars all over Long Island, New York, guys. We got a special car here, guys. Check out this car, 1955 Chevy, 4-door. It's owned by my new friend Ronald here, and he has the car about 2 years. Original New York car from Queens, New York. Car does run and drive. Unfortunately, it's not for sale, but you know it's my favorite car. 55 Chevy, 4-door. Gonna put a few more bucks into it, but stock straight six. You got some cool dual exhaust on there. It's absolutely amazing. So check it out. Look, Bronx Community College. So it is a New York City car. Came from Queens, though. I wish I knew where it originally came from. (1955) Chevy, driving around the Grand Concourse probably, or the Cross Bronx back in the 50s. This car is absolutely so cool, man. Runs and drives. Just recently had some work done to it, but just really, really awesome. Try to get this rear door open for you guys. Well, the handle's not on it. It's in the back over there. Runs and drives good, right, Ron?
It runs.
It runs.
Needs some work on it.
Needs some work on it, though, he said. But it's just an amazing car. Show you on this side. Little 55 Chevy model here as well. So guys, would you guys restore this car or leave it as is? Jerry Middleman Battaglia would actually just clear coat it and drive it around. Maybe put a new rug in there, but that's about it. I drive this thing till the tires fell off of it, but look how beautiful this car is, guys. Ain't nothing better than a 55 Chevy. So guys, like and share this video. Subscribe to my channel. Jerry Middleman Battaglia with the 55 Chevy behind me. Have a great day, guys.